I'm so sorry.
May tissue ka ba?
Okay lang, sir. Kung mayara man kami kakulangan sa imo, tingin emotional lang for those na who's going through hardships right now in life. I think most of us do different stories lang na hindi, don't let the negativity consume you. Move forward, work twice as hard, overcome all those struggles in life that you're facing, and to never give up. Can I ask you first, sir? Ano na nga first mo pag-pronounce sa name? When I saw the fire, pagtanga ko. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh, isa pa sir. Oh my gosh, kalayo. Arin ako din sa stage na ni, I will not let this fire consume
Oo.
my performance. The fire did not stop me. Kita mo man sir sa face ko, I was all smashed. Oh my God. Thank you. Grabe gito sir ang ako niya. Pasalamat.
For today's episode, we feature a woman who embodies resilience, professionalism, and composure on and off the pageant stage. She first captured the national audience's attention with her costume, inspired by the Simborio, an iconic landmark in Iloilo City, which caught fire during her performance. Her remarkable stint on the Miss Iloilo stage earned her the Ilongga Goodwill Award. But her journey tells a story of a young woman full of purpose, anchored to her family. On the mic is the girl on fire and Miss Iloilo Heartfelt candidate from Batad, Meloxel Stacy De Ramos.
Thank you.
Welcome to the podcast.
Thank you so much, sir, for having me today.
Okay,
Excited ka.
kamusta ka after sang Miss Iloilo?
After Miss Iloilo, well, ano man sir nga nag-join ko again another
Yes,
pageant.
oo.
So, naka-rest lang siguro mga maybe 3 weeks.
Mm.
And muna, someone called me again to join the Binibining Pintado stage. So, nangin busy man ko, but so far, so good. And currently, I'm working na.
You're back at
You're back.
working. Okay.
Yeah.
Siyempre, dapat hindi ko pa palagpason to congratulate you again sa journey mo with Miss Pintados.
Yes, sir. Thank you so
Together with
much.
your sisters actually. Kaya di ba lulupod mo kamo sa iyong
Oo.
candidates, sang batchmates mo.
Yes.
And actually, hindi lang yung batch, previous batch pa sang Miss Iloilo. Habag nila Miss Iloilo All-Stars.
Yes, sir. Kita ko.
Dito ka man nakilitay. Take us back to your journey as an applicant for Miss Iloilo. How was the process sa pag-apply sa Miss Iloilo?
Well, I must say, honestly, sir, nanggulpihanay gito siya nga desisyon. Kaya I was supposed to join a different pageant tani man here in Iloilo. Pero I think na istorya ang LGU na mas better nga sa Miss Iloilo kuya mag-join. Nakasubmit ako, gulpihanay. Kita mo man gulong yung submit ko, sir, nga photo.
Yes, yes.
Ging picture lang to naman sa studio. Kaya 2 days before mag-end ang screening nga pasahay, amo to pagpasa ko. And right after that, I was just hoping na pagpasa ko application maka-receive ko liwat email.
Your journey sa pag-apply mo is quite a little different lang among your co-candidates during that time. Take us back also to that time sang ginpatawag ka mo for the callback. Though amo tong time is hindi pa sure ang imo stand if part ka official ka nga part sa
Yeah.
candidates. What was going on sa imong mind during that time?
So, sa callback, sir, I was expecting nga dam gid kami kay it's a callback. We were advised or we were advised to prepare when it comes to the Q&A again, pasarela. Tas dira na gid ma-decide sino ang final candidates. So, nag-prepare man ko. Na-shock lang ako na upon arriving, wala tawo how. Cause we were called earlier pa kaysa sa other candidates na. So, hindi ko na pagambal kung pila kami kabilog. So, interview kami one by one na why should you be an official candidate. So, kumbaga, yes, what's your ed? Why should we hire you? Joke lang. Oo na, sir. Then, I just answered the question from my heart. And I really wanted to be a part of Miss Iloilo. Ever since I was a kid, sir, dream pugidaan nga makatungtong sa isa ka prestigious nga pageant sa, of course, not just in Miss Iloilo, but to be given a chance na maka-join sa national pageants. And I just gave it my best, sir. I gave it my best shot. na ako hoping I would be one of the official candidates.
So during your screening, you gave us a little challenge sa pag interview namon sa imo kay medyo mabudlay ang pag-pronounce ng imong nga name. So can you share us the story, how did you got your name? Sino nagpangalan sa imo and paano siya naging Meloxel?
Can I ask you first, sir? Ano una nga first mo pag-pronounce sa name ko?
Hindi ko sure actually, siguro sagad lang ko yung magbasa sa name.
Wow.
Pero I think doon nakuha ko siya right.
Mhm.
Hindi ko siya ma-recall,
Mm.
pero basta though hesitant ako that time
Mm.
kung paano ko siya i-pronounce.
Ever since gadya sir elementary ako, or ever since bata pa ako that's the first thing na ginaasa ako, how to pronounce your name if they saw the spelling of my name bala. And I do get that a lot nga nambudlayan sila, kag some of my friends even called me ang panawag nila sa akon ngalan daw Bolong Kuno, and some pronounce it Miloxiel, Miloxiel. So, dun ka pa nilang pamatian. And the first thing that I asked them, kamo abi pronounce ka name ko. Gamay-gamay lang gyud ang chance sir nga na-pronounce nila. They get to pronounce it right. So, ang name ko sir naghalin siya sa akon nga magulang, nga babaye. Siya na naghatag sang akon ngalan, not my parents. Si Melwani ang ngalan niya. And the sister, ang sister ko before ako, si Melcris siya. So, siya man na naghatag, Mel kami tanan. And ginkuha yan na sa name nila. And ang finanay ko nga name, which is Lucily, ging-change siya lang ang C to X. Tapos ginkuha niya lang ang I sa Lee sa last nga, nga name sa mom ko. Last syllable.
So do mga tatlo ka tawo, ang name mo ging combine into one name?
I must say tatlo kay duha sila nga Mel. Mel duha lang sir. Ano lang Stacy na ginkuha lang na sa kundi siguro.
Ginpulot.
Ginpulot sa
Pero
kundi.
pila ka mga magutod?
5 kami sir.
5 and sa diin ka?
I'm the youngest.
Oh, so you have 3, you have 2 sisters?
Yes, 2
Then 2
brothers.
brothers. Since you shared the story kung sino nagpangalan sa imo, which came from your sisters, sino si Meloxel as a sister?
I must say sir, sweet kuya kasi utod, pero dungol man. The other side, kumbaga kulit-kulit gid ko na sa ila sir. No, ako ang paladugsing sa magulutod. And masunurin sa akon nga mga magulang. Lalo na sa kay sir, share ko lang, nag-remarry lang ang mother ko. Kay hindi kami na full gid nga mag-ulotod. So bali, 3 of my eldest, which is ang isa ka bayi kag 2 ka laki, their father passed away na. Then nag-remarry si mother ko, si nanay ko, kami nga duwa ni Mel Tricia ang sa ikaduwa na bana. Yan. Pero super close gid kami sir no, hindi ko ma-feel nga half brothers, half sisters ko lang sila.
During the screening session, isa sa ako personally ang nag-caught gid sa interest ko is when you mentioned your relationship with your sister. And though actually isang pag-asa mo to sa imo, na-reciprocate siya ang imo answer for the entire duration of the competition. Halos kamo tanan actually hambagan ni isang top 5 ko no nga kumbaga daw naging siya, hindi siya competitive ang inyong batch. So though gahampang-hampang lang or though ma-feel niyo man ang competition pero hindi siya amo naka-evident gid katama. Paano naman siya ang experience or paano siya na-reciprocate? Nakita ko pa gid yung kamo actually nga tatlo gid sa ang last 3 nga candidates. Kamusta ang relationship with your co-candidates?
Sundanay gid kami na gani nga mga ate nga tatlo
Oo.
sir no. And then the youngest one pa si is number 1.
Oh, yeah, si Amika, oo.
Well, I grew up with 4 siblings sir no. So hindi naman budlay sa akon nga tawag sini, to have this relationship. Especially, I grew up with 2 sisters, so na-develop gid sir ang sisterhood ginatawag. And siguro I'm just the type of person nga kabalo gid ko sir makisama sa isig ka tawo. Kag ang journey ko with my sisters during Miss Iloilo, I do agree sir wala gid ang competition during sa amon nga pag-ulop danay. And sadya pa kami na, sir. Kag kita mo lang gaintindihanay kami sa isa't isa.
Mm.
May mabuligay kung sinong wala amo ni Paulmon man ni. That's the best thing about sa amon nga sisterhood. And kung sino man ang may problema, ara man ang isa,
Mm.
as me as an ate, we try good to engage man sa amon nga mga mangkod. Kami nga mga magulang, kami ang mas na may naintindihan. I'm not saying ang mas nakakalamang sa
Mm.
when it comes to certain things or mas maalam
Oo.
sa ila. But
Experience-wise or wisdom-wise.
experience-wise, oo. Mga bata pa sila daan, sir. 18, then until 22 na pinaka-ano, then nagsunod na kami nga 25.
Oo.
So, muna as an ate, we're just there guiding them as well. Kag hinaintindi lang gid namon ang ila man tagsa-tagsa ka personality as much as hinaintindi man kami nila nga mga ate
Mm.
nila. The best thing is that we develop this sisterhood nga
Mm.
hindi na Sir Madula.
Yeah, oo.
Basta sa uli siya. Yeah. We'll just look back on those moments or memories na that's the big achievement as for me nga to meet those people or these girls na may nanari-sari nga storya sa kabuhi.
What made you decide to actually apply gid for Miss Iloilo or to join pageantry?
Wow, muna sir hambal ko. I don't know if I mentioned earlier, it's my dream gid ya nga maka-join sa
Mm.
Miss Iloilo. Dugay na ko nila sir gina-push for Miss Iloilo but ang problema is ang finances. Balaan ta man niya
Mm.
hindi basta-basta ang
Oo.
gasto when joining this type of pageants na dako na
Especially now.
prestigious pageants. I just waited for the right moment, the right opportunity. Long story, pag ako nga ako ang impadala de.
Mm.
Kay supposedly, hindi ako. That's another story naman niya, sir. Then, they messaged me. I was preparing. Hindi, mas preparing kay hindi pa ya sure, sir, na mainsarangid ko ya sa
Mm.
any pageant diri sa Iloilo. Pero duging abisuhan lang ko nila na basi padala ka sa amo ni pageant. But nakibot ko sa Miss Iloilo, I did not expect gid it yun. Sir nga, diri ko gali nila
Mm.
pa-apply yun. I took it as an opportunity and hoped nga makasulod ako despite nga may mga requirements nga do hindi ko man bala, sir,
Mam
wala sa akon,
Oo.
let's say. And then, nag-apply ako and that was the time na I told myself nga si Lord na lang ni ang bahala
Mm.
kung ihatag ini sa akon nga handom ko. But God really works His ways for us.
But despite di ba, isa sa struggle mo is financially. So, dira gid ako actually medyo curious nga, although you were challenged,
Mentally?
financially and mentally actually,
Yeah.
why ka gid man nag-decide to push through?
And not to be a hypocrite, sir,
Oo.
ang LGU ang nag-finance
Ay.
sa ini nga pageant. So hindi man wala man ko diguro, sir, if wala sila. And I'm very grateful for them sa akon nga LGU Batad, sa among LGU Batad. For they are the reason I'm here. They gave me this opportunity. One thing na gusto ko man mag-push through despite na 'di ba, sir, may work pa ko that
Oh,
time.
yes.
I gave up my work. Nan.
Okay.
I gave up more work na dungan gid siya as a new hire. Hindi gid ko, sir, kahinyo. Kay
Mm.
it will affect my regularization
Mm.
and the operations as well. Kay syempre hindi na ako mag-mention kung ano, per bank ko siya, 'di ba?
Oo.
I tried man nga to negotiate or to, try to look for solutions nga hindi ko man siya mabuhi-an tani.
Oo.
But dulain gid ang
Oo.
ginahambal sang tagipusoon ko. Miss Iloilo is a once in a lifetime opportunity for me nga hindi ko pwede i-give up. Kag ara na ginahungit na sa akon.
Mm.
I will be financed, sponsored. So ano pa, I just need to prepare myself for it. Ang obra, I do believe makita ko lang gina siya, eh. Pwede ko kapangita iban nga obra.
Mm.
But I invested a lot of time and effort man dito tani i-work, sir.
Mhm.
Pero ginpili ko si Miss Iloilo.
What helped you decide to let go of that opportunity and grab this opportunity nga kino-offer ni Miss Iloilo during that time? Although hindi siya actually, clear gid bala hindi ka sure if ikaw gid ang magdaog. What made you decide to, choose Miss Iloilo over that job opportunity?
Siguro, sir, I want to be an inspiration. to the people
Mm.
using my story. You know, they told me that I have an inspiring story. And I want to touch the lives of many people.
Mm.
I want to be an advocate, not just for mental health, but of course, um, connecting man dira nga aspect. And Miss Iloilo is a huge platform. Gidya for me to do that. I just want to share my story, my experiences to those or to the entire community na whatever challenges or struggles they're facing, there will always be a solution. Basta gahimakas ka lang. And one thing gid nga nag-push through sa ako, nag-push sa akon sir to join Miss Iloilo is of course to be able to join a national pageant pagit
Mm.
for a wider audience pagit for me to share not just who I am as a person, but the story of my life, siguro, and to represent the entire Iloilo. That will be a huge privilege and honor to carry the name
Mm.
of our beloved city, right?
Yes. Not all of you actually nag-agi sa process like nagdaog sa municipal pageants. Kay may other nga co-candidates nga nag-agi sa municipal pageants. Sa imo same ba ang process kung paano ka kalabot sa Miss Iloilo?
Yes, sir. Bali, year 2024,
Mm.
may ara kami festival, which is the Panulo Festival. So, first ever gid na nga pag-celebrate namon kay 75th founding anniversary sa Batad.
Mm.
So, may linay sang Panulo kami dito. And after 7 years, nag-join ako liwat. Amo na sir ang pag-join ko sa linay sang Panulo. Wherein ginpilit malang po na nila kay wala na gid ko sir tani in the world of sa world sa pageantry. Gusto ko na lang tani nga mag-focus man sa mother ko kag sa akong career. I don't know if I'm allowed to to tell the story. Hindi man ako ang nagdaog. First runner-up ang sir sa linay sang Panulo.
Okay.
Si Zesta ang nagdaog.
Nagkontra na ikaw mo? Oh, 25?
2024,
2024.
siya
So,
ang nagdaog.
sang 2025, may pageant ba ang Panulo?
Oo, pero ako padala sir. May nagdaog na Panulo, pero for the next na naman siguro tani a year, kung diin siya ipadala ng pageant, it's either sa Miss Iloilo or sa iba.
Actually, di ako matingin mo ko na naka-compete kamo together ni
Lasta. Amo na dito kami nagkilalahay first.
interesting. Going back sa story sang imong mother kag imo advocacy, strong ang advocacy mo towards protecting Alapasco. How was it connected sa imo and sa story mo as a Batanon and as a resilient woman nga naga-advocate for mental health?
Currently, sir, among LGU Tourism, they're focused more on Alapasco Lake.
Mm.
Before, it's more on ang pananong dito bala, the
Mm.
farming, corn. So, balantaman guro kung ano ang result sang pag-utod sang kapunuan dito ang natamnan nila mais, sir.
Mm.
Hindi na sa strong ang pag-hold sang duta. So, prone na siya sa landslide. Amo na, excessive farming sang corn, kag chemicals in the soil, as I've said sa akon nga advocacy video. So, gin-relate ko man siya sir sa akon nga mental health advocacy. I'm more focused on when it comes sa aton selves, let's say we are going through struggles in life,
Mm.
as the same as sa aton amon nga tourist spot, which is Alapasco Lake Patag. We must focus on and prioritize, we must prioritize gid ang kamaayuhan sa aton nga mental health. And I wanted to relate that ang akon nga mother kay syempre as a daughter, sir, I have experienced or I have faced many struggles nga wherein na-bombard siguro ako ka responsibilities nga when it comes to financial and
Mm.
ang pain, most importantly, as a daughter, seeing your mom na bedridden.
Mm.
Someone who's very jolly before. Kay very ano gina mother ko sir, masinadyahon ginasaya. Though friends ang tanan-tanan pala. So it's somehow different and painful to see her every single day surviving, fighting for her life. So that's why I want to make that as an advocacy na mental health because I almost wanted to quit. Though nakapoy nakaguro bala sir
Mm.
sa tanan nga kinatapos ang kabuhi ko. The never ending problems muna. And ging relate ko na siya sa Alapasco Lake kasi Alapasco Lake is experiencing those problems right now. So I just want to send a message siguro through, yes, hindi siguro. I just want to send a message sa akon advocacy. Na through my advocacy, we must always prioritize our holistic health man sir na ginatawag. Not just mentally siguro, but we enable for us to perform well in life, to, of course, to provide for our families, to reach our goals, with
Mm.
dreams. We must always focus on ourselves first. Okay? It all starts with you, man, sir.
Mm.
How can you be progressive? How can you reach your goals if you yourself are not healthy
Mm.
when it comes to those aspects? Hindi ka makahulag maayo. You're not able to make right decisions
Mm.
if you are not mentally healthy, physically, and
Mm.
emotionally healthy.
Gusto ko siya balikan ng isang gina-open mo ang topic about corn production. Kay subon ko lang siya na-gets why your LGU and you actually reach out during the release of teaser posters for the set of candidates. I remember during that time I was looking for something icon for Batad, and Batad is known for corn production as it has the golden fields of corn. Nagyambal ka mo if possible pwede na lang siya ma-change to something like lantern, since tama ba? It's lantern or related somehow to Panulo since it's your festival. So I think I changed it in from corn into a star.
Ay, ang teaser na
Yes.
sa map.
Sa map, ang map teaser actually, ang map teaser.
Also,
I'm not sure if it's okay to publish nga amo na. I'm very happy to hear nga kumbaga dun naging ano na siya, naging way na siya ni Batad to not to tagoon kung ano ang story behind sang corn production, but to find a better way of celebrating Batad and protecting its resources kay
resources.
connected siya gid sa Alapasco.
Mm-mm.
So I subong nag-gets ko gid na siya ang whole story why you wanted to include Alapasco.
We're protecting it na.
To protect it through your advocacy video and connect it with your mom, and how it affects the health of the people.
Mm-mm.
How are you during the time nga si mom mo nag-suffer sang stroke? How are you sang natabo tong time?
It was really hard to accept, sir. And sh- wala mo gyud expectar. Because she's looking healthy gid
Mm.
yeah. I just received a call from my brother na na-stroke si mother ko. I was really praying and hoping na tani bala hindi lang sir ang lala na stroke. As I received the call, or arak sa work, I cried gid nga, and then nag-ask ako nga mag-exit anay. Wherein di gid man nami siguro ang naagyan ko kaya of course sir, it's a public hospital. We shouldn't, I think I don't need to hide that na basta wala ka sir part
Mm.
medical. So when it comes to medical
Mm.
definite
Challenges,
challenges, mabudlay gid ya. So ang naagyan ko to kay mother ko sir, hindi siya madali. I had to go through phases man
Mm.
nga mahambal ko man nga doon nagtayo nga eldest. Kay ako ang in charge sa tanan bala diri.
Oo.
Kaya ako ang kabalo sa pasikot-sikot. Diri ko daan dun nagdugay sa city.
Oo.
So, ako nga mga brothers and sisters sa province na sila nagstay. Ako ang nagatumang sa doktor, akong gastorya, what decision ang obrahon
Mm.
namon, ako na lang ga-relay sa ila nga
Mm.
ma-receive ko na lang ang advice ng doktor nga, "We need to operate your mom, you need to open her brain." So, though kisa kabudlay lang i-digest bala sir nga ang amo ni, nga naglabot sa amo ni. We had to stay rather sa hospital for more than a month.
Mm.
Dito ko na again nga wala tulog bala sir, wala kami tuhigdaan, nga ara lang kami sa ward, wala kami private room.
Hmm.
I even witnessed nga i-revive ang mother ko,
Mhm.
which is very kasinggitan gid kuya sa kasakit sang dughan ko bala. And nagbato gid siya. It was it was all fresh. Fresh pa siya actually sir sa akon.
Anticipo.
Kay no 2 years ago pa malang
Mm.
sa seeing her fight for her life pala. Kabudlay gyapon tulokon mo sa adlaw-adlaw nga amo na yung sitwasyon.
Mm.
Hindi mo siya mastorya kundi nang masakit sa iya, 'cause she can speak, she can eat. Gina-shake na lang na namo niya food sir, pag directly sa tiyan.
Hmm.
Mm. Damo na mo siya bulong, which is naluoy man ko sa mother ko, na amo na bala ang sinapit niya.
Can you consider it nga daw naging, these challenges are actually reason kung ga-grow kita fast?
Mm.
Can you consider it?
Nag-mature gid kuya sir, do like gulpi kuya nag-jump. I don't know, nga from this siguro hindi naman ko teenager that time.
Oo.
Pero ang priorities ko that time lain pa, ta's ang natabo na kay nanay ko.
Hmm.
Though, gulpi lang na nagsaka gid
Oo.
akong maturity level. Lain na akong priorities, I don't go out as much with friends. Nangin focus na lang gid kuya sir nga maka-earn money then to provide for my mother's needs. Maka-help gid ko sa akon nga mga utod.
Mm.
Amo gid ang akon ging instill sa mind
Oo.
ko nga I really have to work hard.
Actually, I'm getting a deeper knowledge why you're so calm or makita namon niya you're very professional. Reason ko yung isa pa rin niya nga pagpal ka sa iba niyong ano because of all these things na galing inagyan mo, although 2 years pa lang siya, medyo fresh pa lang siya. So kumbaga na-gets ko na ang story behind your personality with Miss Iloilo and you were awarded as Miss Iloilo because of all these challenges galing nga ginagyan nimo. Despite nga ikaw ang youngest, but you step up because naglawat ka sa part nga you have to decide for your mom.
Actually gin-consult ko man sa ina sir. Though pag
Oo.
ako lang ang nag-aatubang sa doktor
Oo.
because hindi sila kuno hindi nila kaya magtubang sa doktor. So like, okay, I should step
Hmm. Hmm.
dun muna.
Although bisan na nawala na siya pero though life-changing siya gyapon. Now I understand why your performance during the costume competition amo ka to kakalma, amo ka to ka-compose sa mishap nga natabo sa costume. Can you take us sa story sa nasunog ang imo nga costume?
Why it happened sir, nga
Oo,
nasunog siya.
nga nasunog siya?
Amon sina sir nga first option gidya was dry ice. My costume was made of rubber. Wala lang namon na-anticipate that time nga wala dry ice nga available.
Mm.
And may sala man kami sir, before pa or weeks before the costume competition. Maybe days, nag-reserve na kami dry ice. And during lang yasang adlaw nga nangita.
Oo.
But ako daan sir, ako ang nagkuha sang costume ko that night. Wala diri ang akon LGU officer and I really do understand nga wala sila nakaabot kay wala sila kaabot last trip. Ako ang nagmato-mato kuha sang costume ko. I actually was a little bit stressed kung
Mm.
paano ko siya puli kay siyempre na-focus sa sir, 'di ba? Amo na ng pagkaaga, I tried to ask them if sila na lang tani ang mangita try ice, but gin-suggest man sang akon nga designer nga puwede guro smoke bomb na lang. But to be careful man kung paano siya bala sir ibutang
Mm.
nga ma-set up siya mayo nga makalikaw lang gid sa
Oo.
mga
Kumbaga may
incidents.
ano siya dapat may mga, ah, ways on how to do it safely.
Amo ni sir, ang smoke bomb 30 seconds lang siya kuno. So,
Hmm.
siyempre garampa ko sir sa entire circle taas ang, robming.
Oo.
Gusto naman ang goal namon nga the whole time tani nga garampa ko lawig man gyapon ni aso. So, pagbutong gulpis ang akon nga assistants, gulpi nila ginsulod sa may chimney, wherein wala siya nakatingdog maayo and wala siya kasungaw pa.
Oo.
Natumba sa sir yung nagbalabag siya mula sa may chimney,
Oo.
which caused it na makaon niya ang rubber
Rubber.
materials, ang spark from the smoke bomb siguro. And amo na to sir, nagkalayo na sa.
Mm.
But one thing that was going on through my mind during that time,
Mm.
when I saw the fire, pagtanga ko. Ay, oh, oh my gosh. Oh, isa pa yun, so, oh my gosh, kalayo. But I don't want to embarrass myself siguro. And I told myself na, no, I have to keep going.
Mm.
I have to keep going, not unless na they will signal me to
To
exit na
stop,
ng
oo.
linya. And wala man ko sir nakulbaan, wala gyud ko nakulbaan sir, makasigihon ko lang niya kay layo man sako na. Although may possibility matulolo ang
Oo,
grabber sa
oo.
akon nga
Shoulders,
abada,
oo.
oo, masunog ang akon nga panit. I really had to keep going sir because I do believe that I do believe that ang akon nga mga na-against siguro bala sir, the
Hmm.
challenges that I have encountered ging gi-strengthen niya or ginpabakod niya ang akon nga say dungan, ano dungan?
Mm.
Though wala siguro bala sir kulba na nga
Oo.
nabatsyagan kuno ano ning term man?
Puwede man dungan kay
Oo.
sometimes, though amo na ang ano naton, eh, and though, hindi ka makulbaan kay si
Mm,
mas naunahan kumbaga,
mm,
kaya napangunahan mo siya unless nga mabasyagan mo siya do something
mm.
ano na. Sakto ba ginapangaral ko? Pero oo, gets
Oo
mo.
sir, sa kadamo na sang na-again
Oo,
ko, amo pa ni ang ari na ko di sa stage
oo,
nga ni I will not let this fire tawag sini I will not let this fire consume
oo,
man ang akon nga, that time nga performance.
oo,
Kumbaga, the fire did not stop me wala
mm.
sir. I just kept on going on and I was commended for it
Yes,
na which was I
oo,
was featured on national
gani.
TV because of my resilience and some people called ay naano ko na damdaman ko gina kay Sir Kevin nga mga comments ako na I'm a walking resilience.
Oo,
It reflected sa kung ano man ang naagyan ko daan sa
mm.
bilog ko nga kabuhi. It was a positive it was a negative thing that happened but turned out positive, sir.
Yeah,
But ang akon gina-worry at that time sa gakasunog was the smell of the rubber nga
hmm,
gakasimutan sa
mm,
noise. Siyempre kabako daan, sir.
mm,
And then have a all coughing na. So, amo to yung ga-bother sa akon, not the fire.
oo.
Yes, sir.
Pero actually amo ra gani, for me, although nasunog to siya, very calm mo siya biging dala.
Mm.
Tapos sang ginkuha lang sang upod mo, sang team member mo ang costume, wala lang nagpadayon
Wala
ka lang.
lang. I saw myself man gani sir sa
Oo.
video and minsan ako, hala mo na gali ginupra
Oo.
ko. Like, seeing yourself man sa video is different from the moment na bisor nga ara kada mo look
Mhm.
you're in an adrenaline pagid
Oo.
at the same time siguro nga though wala ka nakabalo
Mm.
exactly what your actions are, but ang mind mo lang gagana.
Hmm.
So ano lang siya girl, nag-reflect na siya sa akin yung move.
Well, yes, literally same mo performance. How did you receive ang mga comments, both negative and positive? How did you make your way?
Honestly, sir, I was more into the positive comments. Pag wala ko yagin sapak ang negative comments. Kay I know people will say ganyan both negative and
Mm.
positive, but I always said that let's just focus on the positive side. And happy kuya sir, kay I was commended with my performance.
Hmm.
And negative comments, na bash pa to actually ako nga designer.
Hmm.
Nga gin-try ko man address, sir, na it wasn't his fault, though no one's to blame
Hmm.
because incidents do happen. Yes, just focus on the positive side.
Dun na lang po siya ba? Though it gave you more fire
Mm.
sa imo
Actually, sir.
self sa duration sa competition kay that was few days, 6 days,
Mm.
5 days before the actual competition.
Yes, sir. It did. It hyped me up. Mas nag-strong ang tawag sini, ang akong beliefs sa kaugalingon
Hmm.
ko na nakaya ko 'to siya. What more, ano pang hindi ko kaya obrahon.
Hmm.
Kumbaga, during when the coronation night, no, 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 sorry. Mag-abot na rather ang coronation night.
Hmm.
Amo na 'tong hambal ko sir nga kaya ko gid kung ano pa da nga challenges man ang maabot. Kaya na kaya ko 'to gani. One thing that I am most proud of na tabo man to sir, I'm not happy that much na nalipay gid kay amo 'tong incident nga natabo it could have ended differently.
Mm.
Pero nakilala pa gyud sir akon banwa.
Yes.
Na gin-mention gid siya sa national television. Na dira pa gid sila naging proud sa akon. Finally, though nabatian man bala
Oo.
ang banwa Sambatan.
Although hindi siya hindi siya ang kind of story nga gusto mo tani nga makilalaan pero
Yes,
something
sir.
naging way
Way.
siya.
Oo, sir.
During the coronation, siyempre may ara kita series of rehearsal. And then isa sa mga award for this year is Miss Iliw Goodwill Award.
Yes, sir.
Did you expect?
No, sir. Promise. Wala gid ko yan nag-expectar na ma-receive ko na ang award and
Who do you
Yeah.
think? Tali.
Pat. Sir, wala na.
Okay,
Kaya
sige.
sir, tago-tago pa. Tapos
Oo.
Pat.
Oo.
Siyempre, bot-bot, mandaan si Pat, sir. Nabatian ko ang goodwill na there is Miss Goodwill gali na award during the rehearsals with man sir sang the day of
Day
few days.
before.
Few days. No, a day
2 days.
before.
2 days and the day before.
Oo, may Miss Goodwill Award gali.
Oo.
So, wala man kuya sir nag-expect na ako. And I was really rooting for it to ma-awardan si Pat. Sina nga award. So, and then, sang paglawag sa akon,
Yes.
kita mo man sir sa face ko, I was all smiles. Oh my God! Thank you. Grabe gito sir ang akon nga pasalamat kay na-appreciate niyo gid man ang akon nga efforts and personality, my character all throughout the journey. I really, really tried man sir my best na hindi man ko magpaugtas gid sa inyo.
Oo.
Na isa sa nakita naman actually nga ano bagay is ang support sang LGU and not just the LGU pero ang residents or Batadnons tama. Kay grabe ang support sang Batad.
It's overwhelming in a positive way. Gid sir and grabe, I am deeply grateful kay they trusted me and grabe ila believe sa akon. They saw my potential and supported me all throughout. Nakibot lang gid ko sir nga sa finals night despite nga limited lang man ang tawo. Pero grabe gid nga support ang akon nga nabatian nga kapanglalapaw ang ila tiyo. But not just sa coronation night, even sa mga social media postings. Grabe nga bulig nila pang-share.
Miss Smart.
Sa text, I wasn't expecting gani sir nga ako pa gid sa smart.
Oo.
Pero because of them, because of my supporters, not just the Batadlon na siguro, but all the people who believed in me, made it possible. Nga na-achieve ko man tong nga mga awards ang Miss MG and
Yes, oo.
and Miss Smart.
Oo.
And the people of Batad, abi sir, we are united gidya when it comes to competitions.
Oo.
To talagsa lang the answer sa amon nga may ara bala nga like muni, Miss Iloilo, huge pageant nga may first ever, sorry, wala ka na-mention dili. I am the first ever representative yung
Yes,
Batad
oo.
sa Miss Iloilo stage. So amo dako gid siya sir nga butang para sa ila nga sir, there is someone especially sa Barangay Binunan nga halin didto ang nag-represent sa Miss Iloilo.
Can you consider nga sa natabo sa mamo is one of the biggest challenge sa imo?
It still is for me sir, honestly. Though amo gid na siyang pinakabiggest.
Ano nga yung gusto mo ihambalon kay Meloxel as that younger version of you? It's not something other people might appreciate. Pero anong advice ang hambal mo kay May? Inaagyan mo amo to nga phase ng imo life and now may na-reap ka kag may na-impart ka sa iba nga tawo.
Well, ako sir nga hinyo Inday. Kay Inday Meloxel. So my message to her 2 years ago, life will take you to many places and life will throw challenges at you and test you in every aspect in life gidya. One thing that you need to remember is that everything that has happened has a purpose, whether it may be positive or negative, most especially negative. God will not let you down. And as long as you believe in yourself, as long as you keep going and move forward, be dedicated and work twice as hard, then you will overcome all the struggles and then you will reach your goals. When it comes to what happened to my mom, siguro most specifically, I think that it's a part of life. Hindi ta na sir malikawan. Whatever will happen to our loved ones, our parents, it is something that's inevitable, but I am pretty sure that Inday Malaksha, you can handle it. As well as to everyone who's listening, na hindi mugid pagpaminsaron nga wala na pulos imo kabuhi just because you are encountering all those challenges. And do not stay on the negative side of life. Always look forward to the positive side and continue to grow because life will teach you lessons that will help you be on the greater heights that you will ever be in life.
Anong message mo siya kay mom mo if matanaw ya, ikaw subong? Ano gusto mong ihambalon sa iya?
Kalapot ko na bala sir. Inapakita ko gina sa iyang akon nga, "Nay, look at me, may makeup ko." Ngayon yuho na sa dayon. Although hindi mo siya hambal, pero grabe gina sir yung smile on her face. So kay nanay ko, Nanay Gingging, we never expected gid nga amo ning matabo sa imo. But we all know na may lapses man kita. Kay ginasugo man siya naman sir nga pa-check up every time. Kaso wala mo naman sure ang ages ng mom ko nga medyo stubborn. So, wala ta ni nay gi-expect nga matabo ni sa imo. But nagapasalamat mi kami gyapon sa Ginoo nga ari ka di and you continued to fight despite nabalaan namon nga nakapoy ka na, nga nabudlayan ka na, surviving every day. Hindi man madali nga hindi ka nakakaon, hindi ka nakahambal. Your half body is paralyzed. Pero always remember nga ari lang kami di. Hindi ka ginamot pabayaan. We will do everything for you na ma-meet namon ang needs mo. And kung mayara man kami kakulangan sa imo, tingin emotional ako.
Go lang.
Person. Kung may kakulangan man kami sa imo, sorry lang. Pasensya gid kami nay. But we're giving our all. We're doing our best for you. I'm so sorry.
May may tissue ka ba?
Okay lang, sir. Amo lang na. Nga palangga ka gid namo nay.
Oo, may.
Yes.
Oo. I'm sorry, I made you cry.
Gani. Tingin emotional ko.
For those people who's going through the same journey as you, with the same challenges, what advice feel mo ang makahelp sa ila?
For those na who's going through hardships right now in life, I think most of us do different stories lang. One thing that you should always keep in mind.
Tissue.
Ay, thank you so much. Okay, so we do have different stories when it comes to struggles and hardships. But one thing that they should always remember or instill in their minds, sir, this might sound cliche, gidyagapon, pero keep moving forward. You yourself will put you in a place where you want to be in. Kumbaga, hindi. Sir, ang iba niya tao, they will give you advices. They will help you in certain way. But ikaw mo dyan makabulig sa kaugalingon mo, paano ka makabangon, how will you overcome those struggles, and how you should face those struggles. Kung paano, the process bala, sir. Paano mo malampasan ang mga struggles ka na. Everything that is going on in your life, ang Ginoo, wala. God will not give us a burden too heavy to carry. He will always be there to help us carry that load. To have that mindset, siguro sir. To have that palaban mindset na hindi, don't let the negativity consume you. Move forward. Work twice as hard to overcome all those struggles in life that you're facing and to never give up.
Okay. Thank you so much for sharing your story with us.
Welcome, sir.
For those people who wanted to help, for example, financially, how can they actually reach you and your family if they wanted to help?
Sir, obviously, I'm not one na mahiling bala sir mga holding. Especially when it comes to financial. Try gid ko sir to strive as hard and ang akot pagid mga utot nga kaya no namo. Pero mahambal ko gid sir financially challenged gid kami subong. hindi dali bakal mabulong ni nanay. Kada mo sa iya bulong, her food, her diapers, mahal na simutan sir. Ang akon nga problemahan lang is ang every 6 months ga-change kami na sing tubes niya. Scheduled gina sir. Kapag wa kami mga, let's say entirely mga 40 above, siguro hindi makalabot 50K sir. So munang permi namon ginasuktan, ga-try mo kami seek assistance sa mga DSWD or ano pa gid nga sir, mga sa
Oo.
PCSO.
Oo.
Ga-try gid kami sir, pero kisado hindi naman siya abi ma-cover na. So, if for those na gusto or willing na mag-help sa upcoming operation ni mother ko this April. This April na, sir? So, ma-admit gid kami na naman, ga-try na gid ko gasupot-supot na kami or ako mga utod ko para sa bills namon naman nga upcoming bill namon sa hospital. Na sir, if sa may mga malambot nga tagipusoon, nga gusto mag-help, but no pressure at all, wala gid kami sir gapamilit na
Yeah.
really we will appreciate it
Oo.
so much kung may
May mag-abot.
pamagkaan nga balatsayo, may mag-abot
Oo.
nga bulig.
Well, everyone is being challenged man, especially
Mm.
financially
Yeah, amo pag na
sa
sir.
mga times. But I'm grateful for accepting the challenge to guest on the podcast to share also your story behind the name Merok Share. Behind the story sa especially sa costume because dito gid ko yan nakakita sa different aspect of yung nga very kalgiyabis ka na mo nga tabo.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, I commend myself for that man. Thank you, sir. And it was such an amazing journey being part of or one of the candidates of Miss Iloilo. So thank you also or also part of the organization, sir. Thank you for
Thank
giving
you.
me the chance.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you, Mel. Of course, for those who wanted to share some blessings, we can put the details at the end of this video. But of course, we would also like to thank Citadines Amigo again for hosting us and for providing us a space to share some stories for this episode. And see you on the next episode of On the Mic.
Thank you. Bye. Bye, guys.
Two years ago, my life changed forever. My mother suffered a severe stroke that left her bedridden. My family and I have poured our hearts into caring for her. Days filled with love, but also with grief, exhaustion, and quiet battles no one could see. There were days I felt like giving up. But in the stillness of that pain, I discovered something life changing. Healing doesn't always begin with a cure. Sometimes it begins with a choice. The choice to hope, the choice to keep going, the choice to care for our minds, our hearts, and the world around us. In the heart of Barangay Alapasco lies more than just a reservoir. It is a sanctuary, a source of water, yes, but also a source of life, of peace, and my sanctuary for healing. By the reservoir, I found space to breathe. The gentle flow of water, the rustle of trees, the reminder that even in our hardest seasons, there is still calm to be found. Nature heals not only the land, but the weary soul. But now, Alapasco needs us. Pollution, unsustainable farming, and neglect are threatening this balance. Excessive planting, chemicals in the soil. The land is tired. Just like we get tired when we don't take care of our minds, the parallel is clear. What stress does to the soul, damage does to the soil. And just like people, nature needs time and care to recover. There is a better way. a kinder way for our farms, our families, and our future. My advocacy is simple but powerful. Our minds deserve the same care as our bodies. Mental health is real and must be taken seriously. And healing, real healing, begins with a choice to pause, to care, to protect. We protect Alapasco not just for water, but for the peace it gives. Because when we take care of nature, nature takes care of us and our future. And when we speak about what matters, mental health, sustainability, community, we begin to heal together.